Welcome to Lalan Weight Loss channel. We will do smoothie diet video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. The 21-day smoothie diet is perfect if you are planning to lose weight. It is also perfect if you are trying to make healthy dietary changes. With that in mind, you might want to consider starting this diet. That said, do you know its risks? Do you know how long you are supposed to be on this diet? If not, this article is for you. The 21-day smoothie diet, created by Smoothie, has spawned dozens of imitations and variations. All of them promise that replacing some of your meals with smoothies will result in quick and easy weight loss. As with many weight loss plans, the details are important. As part of a balanced diet, smoothies can help you lose weight. But the ingredients, portion size and your overall diet will make all the difference. But how it works? On this diet plan, you'll make and drink 2 smoothies a day as meal replacements. Your third meal is up to you, but for best results, it should be lower in calories. Smoothie, health coach, also suggests 1 cheat day per week, but includes a list of recommended foods for that day. He also says it's a good idea to repeat the 21-day cycle every time you want to lose weight. Smoothie ingredients vary, but they focus on fruits and vegetables, with protein and healthy fats. According to Smoothie points out, if this meal is too high in calories, the diet will not work to lose weight. Why follow a 21-day smoothie diet? The question that bugs many people is, why should you adopt the 21-day smoothie diet over another diet? Here are some good reasons. 1. It increases your nutrient intake. Smoothies are made with healthy ingredients from all food groups. These include whole fruits, starchy vegetables, leafy greens, non-starchy vegetables and fat-free or low-fat dairy products. All of these foods individually contain different nutrients. Fortunately, by combining all of these food groups into one drink, your nutrients are amplified. 2. It leads to weight loss. Weight loss depends primarily on reducing caloric intake. This is because your body burns more calories than you consume. Smoothies, especially protein shakes, promote weight loss by reducing the number of calories you consume per day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.